Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you notice that files or folders appear to be automatically compressing on your computer. So if when you're trying to open up file folders and you see that there are already compressed files within them, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to go and do here is open up the start menu, type disk cleanup. Best match should come back with disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. Want to make sure temporary internet files is checkmarked here, as well as the recycling bin. And then you have other options, and if you have other areas in here too, you're welcome to checkmark them as well. Temporary files is one that comes to mind. And just go ahead and select OK. Delete the files. And once that's done, go ahead and open up your start menu and type in downloads. Go ahead and select the downloads folder, and then anything listed in here, just highlight over it and right click and delete. So just highlight and delete all the items that are in your downloads folder. So basically we're just trying to clear up space on our computer if that isn't already clear. So once you've done that, you also want to close out of here. Actually, we could have kept it open, but if you did, you don't have to close out of it. Instead, we're just going to open up File Explorer again through the taskbar shortcut, or you could search for it, whatever you prefer, and then select this PC on the left side. Right click on your drive where Windows is installed on, and it should be indicated by a little Windows icon above the hard drive, and then select Properties. Where it says compress this drive to save disk space, go ahead and make sure that is unchecked, and then select Apply and OK. Please keep in mind you actually might need to have enough storage on your computer, so consider having an external drive or expansion drive in order to hold extra files. Think about clearing up some documents you might have or various programs. If you have a lot of programs, think about uninstalling some of them. Basically, you just want to free up some hard drive space. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.